Alexa, can you tell me what the dog says? What does the dog say? Yeah, that's a dog. Well, what does he say?
What does the doggy say? Yes, he does.
That's right. You know, don't you?
Would you like a puff? What else is on your plate? Carrots and potatoes?
Not touched.
How about some oatmeal? Peekaboo! There's a puff! Good job. She's eating oatmeal with bananas in it. Ooh, and a puff.
Sweet potato puff. Here's what she's eating there. Let's see it. Yum. Little air. Nothing like a little air, is there, Alexa?
No.
Well, thank you for demonstrating how you know what a puppy says. You did such a good job.
What's a puppy dog say?
I'm eating my puffs right now, Mom. Don't interrupt me. There's our one tooth girl.
You getting your little tooth in on your body?
And you can see it's still very snowy out.
Where'd your puffs go? Did you eat them already?
She ate them.
Do another bite of this.
See how much she loves her oatmeal. Bye-bye, Alexa Bear.
Hi.
Bye.
You say hi? Hi.
That's sweet. Well. All right. Love you, sweet baby girl.